Today I'm going to show a video about measurement with non-standard units. Our purpose for learning today: I can begin to understand how to measure items using non-standard units. Non-standard units are units that are not rulers. So this is at the beginning of learning how to measure. Being able to use these non-standard units allows us to see how things compare in size to one another without having to start with a ruler. It gives us an idea. I'm going to measure today with using this non-standard unit. I'm going to use a quarter. So this is always fun because then you can make predictions based off the size of the unit, and then you can see if your prediction was correct. And if it's not correct, that's okay because it's a prediction, and predictions can go right, and you can be right, or they can be wrong. That's part of a prediction. You make an educated guess. So here we go. I am going to start with my scissors, and then I'm going to measure my sidewalk chalk, and then I'm going to measure my Sharpie and see how that goes. All right, so here are my scissors, and the first rule that you need to understand is when you measure, you always start at the very beginning. It's like a race. You start at the starting line. Everyone lines up at the same spot, because if not, then somebody gets ahead, and that's not fair. So you don't start measuring up here. You need to start way down here at the beginning, at the starting line. So I'm going to use my eyes and my fingers to try to line this up the best that I can, because I've chosen a round shape to measure with today. So right here, I'm lined up right at the beginning. I'm going to make a prediction that I can get 6/4 lengths to fill up this set of scissors. Let's see if I'm right. So I have one, and I'm going to hold my pen right here so I can make sure that I know where my quarter ends and where I can move my quarter to the next spot. So I have 1, 2, 3. Oh boy, my prediction might be wrong. 4. 5. 6. Oh no. My prediction was not accurate, and that's okay. 7. 'Bring it down a little bit. 8. Can I get a full 9? Let's see. Oh, it's not quite 9 because see, look, all of the extra quarter up here. So I'm going to say that my scissors were about 8/4. Now I'm going to go ahead and get my scissors out of the way, and I'm going to test my sidewalk chalk. Let's see about my sidewalk chalk. I'm going to go ahead and say 3. Let's see if I get a better prediction on that. So 3/4. So I'm going to line it up at the starting line. Just like I said, everybody lines up at the same spot. So 1, 2, 3. Oh, I'm in the same situation that I was last time with the scissors. I can get 3 full quarters, but I can't say that I can get 4 because I have extra. So I'm going to say that my sidewalk chalk was about 3/4. And then lastly, we're going to check out the Sharpie. We're going to see how this Sharpie works out. Let's say you make a prediction. I want you to make a prediction at home, and I'm going to make a prediction that this is going to be about 5. Let's see. Oh, I got to get it back up a little bit. Start at that starting line. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, my prediction was 5. Am I going to get it? 5. Oh, wow, look, it's almost exactly 5. So my prediction was right on that one. So my Sharpie was about 5/4. So when you get to do your measuring with non-standard units, have fun. Make predictions. See if you're right. See if you're wrong. It's okay if you're wrong. I'm wrong all the time. Scientists are wrong, and then sometimes they're right. Do your very best and have fun.